Now let us start with the exercise part. First, fill in the blanks with the correct word. Dash involves the use of simple substance to build complex substance required by the body. It will be assimilation. Second, once swallowed, the food passes down into a long tube called the oesophagus. Third one, the process of digestion begins in the mouth. Fourth one, the liver secretes the dash juice, that is the bile juice. Fifth one, the digestion of various component of food is completed in the dash intestine, small intestine. Dash is the last chamber of the stomach in ruminant, that is the abomasum. Then come to choose the correct option. In which of these processes food broken down into simpler substance? Answer will be digestion. Next, which of these are flat blade like teeth used for cutting food? Answer will be incisors. What do fats break down into? Fatty acids and glycerol. Fourth one, in which of these chamber of ruminant does food get partially digested and stored as curd? It will be rumen. Which of these nutrients get mostly digested in the small intestine? All of these. With the help of which of the following does Hydra catches with its food? It will be tentacles. Which of these helps to digest the food in an amoeba? Digestive juice in the food vacuole. Eighth one. Which of these primarily helps in the digestion of fat in human beings? Bile. Ninth one. Which of these act as an energy reserve and are stored for later use? Both B and C. Tenth one. Which of these not a chamber of the stomach of ruminants? Answer will be liver and pancreas. Now, very short answer type. Give two examples for the following. Organism made of single cell, example will be amoeba and paramecium. Second one, outgrowth that helps unicellular animal to catch the food, that is tentacle and cilia. Digestive juices that aid in digestion, bile and pancreatic juice. Fourth one, glands of the digestive system, that will be liver and salivary gland. Short question answers. First short question answer type is first one. How is ingestion different from egestion? Come to page number 25. First you will write the definition of ingestion. The intake of food into body is called ingestion. Then you will write egestion definition. Elimination of undigested food from the body is called egestion. This is your first answer. Short question answer. Second one, name the four types of teeth and their main function in human jaw. So for this come to page number 26. Here you will write about the four types are incisors, canines, premolars, molars. And you will write about incisors, canines, premolar and molar. Third one. For third question, how do villi help in small intestine of human beings? Come to page number 29. It increases the surface area of the lining. This makes absorption more efficient. Each villus has a network of fine blood vessels. Nutrients are absorbed into the blood present in these fine blood vessels. This is the short question 3. Next, short question 4. What is rumination? Come to page number 30. Rumination is the plant-eating animal that bring back swallowed food into the mouth to chew it. Again, is called ruminants and the process is called rumination. Now come to long question answers. First long. With the help of a well-labeled diagram, describe how an amoeba digests its food. page number 25. Here you have to draw this figure of amoeba feeding, this whole figure. Then you have to write this. When amoeba sends the food, it forms like a finger-like projection called pseudopodia and completely enclose the food, resulting in the formation of space cavity called as food vacuole. Some of the digestive juice are secreted in the food vacuole and food is digested. It is then absorbed and assimilated and the undigested part is thrown out. So you will write this whole paragraph and you will draw this figure. Then next question. Explain the process of digestion in human beings. For this come to page number 27. In page number 27 you will start. The process of digestion starts in the mouth where food is mixed with saliva. Saliva secretes the salivary gland, contain digestive juice with the help of the breakdown of the starch into sugar. Saliva also make the food slimy so that it can be easily swallowed. Once swallowed, the food passes from mouth into the long tube called the oesophagus. That is the food pipe. The wall of the oesophagus contracts and relaxes to produce the wave-like movement that is called as the peristaltic movement. These movements help to move the food down into large sacs like muscular organ called the stomach. Means you can write this in point wise. ये point आप लिख सकते हो, then you will write the second point, then third point, then fourth point, and this is the fifth point. In fifth point you can complete this. Okay, then further digestion in the stomach, hydrochloric acid is present, so that helps to digest the food. Hydrochloric acid का और ये अच्छा चीज़ है, it kills the microorganism, provide an acidic medium for effective digestion. For stomach semi digested food, जो food पूरा digest नहीं हो पाता है, called the chymes, passes into the small intestine, and further digestion of food takes place in the smaller intestine, where secretion of the liver and pancreas are released. The liver secretes bile, which plays an important role in digestion of fat. Bile is stored in the organ that is called as the gallbladder. Before being released in small intestine, secretion of pancreas is called pancreatic juice, help in the breakdown of the carbohydrate into sugar, protein into amino acids, and into fatty acids and glycerol. Thus, digestion of various components of food is completed in the small intestine. ओके तो ये आपको लॉन्ग आंसर लिखना है, आप चाहो तो इसको पॉइंट वाइज लिख सकते हो. नाउ नेक्स्ट थर्ड क्वेश्चन. How do nutrients get assimilated and after digestion in human body? Page number 29. So you have to write about the assimilation. The nutrient that is absorbed in the blood are transported to rest of the body. Then the final product of carbohydrate is digestion. Glucose is broken down into carbon dioxide and water in the cells with help of oxygen and release energy. Amino acids are used for repairing out the worn out cells and tissues. And fatty acid gets stored, they act as an energy reserve and store for further use. This is the third long answer. Now, the last one, the fourth question. Describe in brief the process of digestion in ruminants. Come to page number 30 and 31. So it starts from where? Ruminants, digestion. After being chewed once, food passed from 2 to 3 feet long oesophagus, and oesophagus lead into stomach, and the stomach of the ruminants has the fourth chamber, rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. Then you will write each of the above. पहले आप लिखोगे rumen के बारे में. Rumen helps in storing the large quantity of food and the food is partially digested here. पूरा डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता है, हाफ डाइजेस्ट होता है. तो ये आप पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखोगे. फिर नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ में आओगे, देन यू विल राइट अबाउट द रेटिकुलम, देन यू विल राइट ओमासम एंड एट लास्ट एबोमेशन, एंड देन यू विल राइट अबाउट द एब्जॉर्प्शन. तो पूरा आपको कंप्लीट करना है इसको. एब्जॉर्प्शन में आपको लिखना है द फूड of the amalgam pass into small intestine where it is mixed with the secretion from the liver. Most of the digestion of the carbohydrate, protein and fats take place here. Several villi are present here which help in increasing the surface area for absorption. And last, small intestine leads into large intestine, and the main function of large intestine is to absorb water and eliminate the undigested food that are called as the feces. तो ये जहाँ तक ब्रैकेट ख़त्म हो रहा है इतना आपको लिखना है. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you.